harvest. The operation ran smoothly, using advanced machinery and equipment for delivers superior performance and efficiency. The 4x4 MFWD 4WD chassis and power steering shredder is an efficient solution for all your shredding needs. With its compact size, hydrostatic transmission with PO-Claim, 2-speed wheel drive motors enhances The RT400MG is a screw leveler that attaches to the 3-point linkage of the tractor. Screw levelers are designed for clearing bogs and maintaining existing peat production strips in autumn. In addition, the RT400MG can be used to level peat from ditches. The attachment frame can be rotated, enabling the implement to be used when driving either forwards or in reverse. The 44 Iron Rhino flail mower mounted on the powerful IR1000 with a Perkins diesel engine. This combination delivers unmatched mowing efficiency and reliability. Whether tackling tough vegetation or maintaining large fields, this setup ensures smooth operation and superior performance. The Case IH Puma 210 tractor is equipped with a powerful diesel engine featuring 6 cylinders, a wastegate turbo, and an intercooler for enhanced performance. With a displacement capacity of 6,700 cm 3 knot, this tractor meets Tier 3 emission standards, ensuring efficient operation while delivering robust power and reliability for agricultural tasks. The truck got stuck in the mud, and the tractor practically dragged it out. How can the driver expect to move again when he was already going and was stopped by the huge weight rip his clutch? After wheat harvesting, the John Deere 7280R tackles soil preparation for soybean cultivation. With a robust John Deere PowerTech PBX engine delivering 280 HP from its 9-liter capacity, this tractor handles compacted ground and tracks with ease. Its JD Autopower CVT transmission offers precise speeds from 0.05 to 42 km/h, ensuring efficient soil management. Defoliating is an important part of cultivation. They lower growth, will take the nutrients first. You want everything that gets the most light to have the nutrients. Great work and smart. The Calderoni TSC is your go-to for versatile orchard maintenance. From mowing to weeding, its adaptable design meets every need. Equipped with a robust 194-inch support cylinder, height-adjustable slides, and options like hydraulic side extension, this machine ensures efficiency and precision. Holland Straddle Tractor TE6 range, including the TE6 1120N and TE6.150N, brings innovation to narrow vineyards. Equipped with F36 engines, 86 kilowatts and 105 kilowatts, these tractors offer superior weight distribution and visibility. Their multifunctional design includes 3 independent tool zones and a quick hitch system for rapid attachment changes, enhancing productivity and efficiency. Ideal for the challenging terrains of prestigious wine regions. Number 9, MH Compost Freeze ZR4212, CF Precision Engineering at its finest. The MH Compost Freeze ZR4212 CF is all about precision and performance. Powered by a Deutz V8 engine with 560 HP, it's equipped with a hydraulic rotor that delivers 375 HP directly to the job. The machine's advanced hydraulic and cooling systems ensure it runs smoothly, no matter the workload. Whether you're working on small or large windrows, this machine is built to deliver consistent results. Agron Solus 90, sweeping with Agron double blower. Number 11, Yeko JF545. The future of tracked cranes is here with the Yeko JF45. This model offers an impressive max load of 15,500 kilowatts and can reach heights of up to 32.5 meters. The 30-meter radius allows for exceptional range and flexibility. Mounted on a self-propelled track vehicle, it's designed for optimal performance in challenging environments. Yeko is redefining what's possible in crane technology. Discovering the Trilo M4 vacuum trailer was eye-opening. Its ability to clear leaves, sweep streets, and collect waste with precision showcases its adaptability and efficiency. Powered by 3590 HP, it's designed for durability with replaceable wear plates, ensuring long-term reliability in any environment. Number 23, Portafill MR6. Big performance in a compact package. The MR6 combines power and portability with its impressive features. From the large capacity hopper to the quick change mesh system, it's designed for maximum efficiency. The folding underscreen conveyor, compact transport dimensions ensure it's easy to move and set up, making it a top choice for versatile screening applications. Number 24, Jutech Windmaster. Incredible tool for frost protection, the Jutech Windmaster. By harnessing power from your tractor's PTO, it creates a reliable wind flow to protect sensitive crops. The device can rotate fully or stay fixed, and the hydraulic folding system makes it transport friendly. Essential for anyone with fruit orchards or Christmas tree farms looking to boost their frost prevention efforts. Number 7, the Scarab 18X7, a true workhorse. With an 18 FT tunnel width and 7 FT to height, the Scarab 18X7 is a beast in the world of windrow turners. Its customizable options mean you can tailor this machine to your exact needs. Whether it's the anti-vandalism package or the automatic fire suppression system, Scarab ensures you get the safety and efficiency your operations demand. A machine built to perform, protect, and produce. Number 8, the Allcons Construction Machine Power Station is a powerhouse. With a 300 HP Cummins QC8.3 engine and top-notch components like Sauer Danfoss and Rexroth hydrostatic pumps. This machine is built for heavy-duty performance in any climate. The noise-insulated enclosure and easy-access maintenance platform make it a smart choice for demanding construction projects. Check this out! The Cat 320 amphibious excavators are being launched into the Glomma River in Sarpsborg, Norway. Watching these machines transform from land to water is incredible. The engineering behind these amphibious excavators is truly fascinating. The tires of a giant truck rose into the air as it broke down while climbing a hill in Panapat City, Haryana. This 122-tire behemoth had just reached the toll crossing when chaos ensued. The transportation scene here is really something else, and the unexpected breakdown only added to the drama. It's quite a sight to see. The excavator's timely grip on the truck turned a near miss into a successful save. This video isn't just about moving a transformer, it's about electrifying Brazil and powering a greener future. This 525 kb mega transformer is a symbol of progress, and WEG is the unsung hero making it happen. They're not just transporting equipment, they're transforming the energy landscape. Whoa! The sight of a loaded lowboy hauling machinery barreling down that steep hill is truly impressive. The roar of the engine and the sheer power of this beast are something to behold. Driving a truck up a sand dune? Whoa, it looks like a giant seesaw in the desert. The loose sand really seems to be giving the engine a tough time. This video is a masterclass in heavy hauling. The use of 2 Mercedes-Benz Actros Titan tractors and 22 Scheuerle intercombi axle lines with grinder heavy-duty is cutting-edge equipment and expertise required for such a complex operation. The coordination between the drivers and the crew is seamless, ensuring the safe and efficient transport of this critical piece of infrastructure. This truck seems to be really enjoying its time in the air. Too smooth. They handled everything with absolute professionalism. Keep calm, no need for such urgency. Luckily, the driver remains safe. Looks like this Volvo has mastered the art of doing a headstand. This unique skill is just how it gathers the momentum to achieve success. It was as if he had the power of a god, breaking the ground under the ATEC excavator with his push. The machine leaned, and the driver escaped right before it fell. What a scene. The truck loaded with wood is left hanging precariously after that daring attempt to cross. Yikes. The Kokan 600T is a self-propelled rear-load harvester with an aim to bring you berries at a hand-picking level. It is based on unique and proven Kokan airberry harvesting technology, along with a wide range of other features that harvest blueberries for fresh market and other berries for IQF. The Euro 6 Walnut Harvester packs big performance in a compact size. Designed for harvesting nuts and dried fruits on up to 5 hectares, it combines simplicity with efficiency. Easy maneuverability and good visibility make it a standout choice for orchard owners. The tractor hoeing machine is more than just a piece of equipment, it's a farmer's best friend. Seeing it work the fields with such precision and speed was a sight to behold. It's equipped with advanced features that not only save time, but also reduce labor costs significantly. Its high efficiency in tilling and soil preparation ensures optimal conditions for crop growth, all while maintaining ease of use and reliability. Number 4, meet the Marmix Super Champ SL, your new go-to machine for high-performance farming. With a 210 kW engine that runs at just 1,400 RPM, this feed mixer combines power with fuel efficiency, helping you save on operational costs. The rear-mounted engine is easy to maintain, and the noise-dampened cab provides a comfortable and quiet workspace. Whether you're handling heavy loads or navigating the field at speeds up to 60 km/h, the Super Champ SL delivers consistent, reliable performance day in and day out. Number 5, Moorbark 3400X, built for the big jobs. When it comes to horizontal grinders, the 3400X Woodhog stands out with its 800 HP Cat engine and 57.9 arm operating length. The machine's design includes sloped-in feed sides for better visibility and a legal transport width of 8 or 4, no matter where you are. Whether you're clearing land or grinding wood for fuel, this grinder has the power and versatility you need. Number 6, this machine is a beast. The Terrafelis 3 Evo offers a perfect balance between power and precision. The ability to adjust the rotational speeds of the rollers for different conditions is a massive time saver. Plus, the low-speed, high-efficiency operation means less fuel consumption, which is always a win. Homer really knows how to build a machine that farmers can rely on. Witnessing the Komatsu PC-1250 excavator getting stuck in a coal mine pit was truly overwhelming. Yet in an impressive display of skill, the operator wriggled it out in just a few minutes and resumed work. It was like watching a giant cyclops emerging from a swamp. This is like a parade of concrete giants. These I-beams are the backbone of infrastructure, and Buchanan is the unsung hero getting them where they need to go. The way they navigate those tight turns and intersections is impressive. It's like watching a ballet of brute force and finesse. This video gives us a glimpse into the complex journey these I-beams take from Tampa to Tierra Verde. It's not just about hauling them down the road, it's about careful planning, coordination, and execution. The Stoll V202 sugar beet harvester is built for performance. Its powerful 4-cylinder diesel engine, operating at 6,000 RPM, ensures smooth operation and maximum efficiency in the field. Perfect for harvesting sugar beets with precision and speed. Wow, watching hundreds of tons of timber being loaded onto trucks and ferried across the Meriden River is truly impressive. Incredible to witness the Volvo FH60 750 from Boltrans Oslo, AA's expertly maneuvering and unloading a massive Volvo EC4 A&E excavator. From the precise loading at the construction site to the seamless transport and careful unloading in the business district, this heavy-duty operation is nothing short of impressive. A 165-ton autoclave for the German Aerospace Center in Stade was jaw-dropping. The MAN 41.680 TGX, paired with an 18-axle Goldhofer THP trailer, skillfully navigated through the narrow streets of Stadterson, crossed the A26, and rolled through Stade's bustling downtown. This massive operation is a must-see for anyone fascinated by heavy transport. Number 20, Elphinstone WR810, a maintenance marvel. The WR810 is a must-have for any underground mining team. It combines a powerful Caterpillar drivetrain with practical features like a 5,000-liter diesel tank, multiple oil storage compartments, and an air compressor. The climate-controlled ROPS cabin adds to the comfort, while the all-wheel drive ensures it handles rough terrain with ease. Perfect for keeping your equipment running smoothly underground. Number 21, the Oversize TB 1000 is a game changer for airport snow clearing. Its 1,000 HP engines and 7,500 tons hour capacity ensure it can handle the toughest snow conditions. The flying cab design enhances visibility, and the hydraulic chassis suspension provides a smoother ride. Plus, the new performance line design makes servicing easier. Top-class snowblower. Number 22. The Eagle 9700 wheel trencher is a beast. With its 62,000 lbs weight and 9 ft digging depth, it's designed for serious trenching. The Egon high-response control system and wireless remote console make operating this machine a breeze. I'm impressed by the range of optional features, from telematics to carbide teeth and drainage system packages. Perfect for complex projects. Wow. Cool car does not crack, and what can I say about that operator? My respects that God does not continue to bless him much and take care of him. Smooth. The Ram 3500 towing 30,000 lbs, 45 streamline. Did anyone else notice the boat needs to be winched more? Ice Road Truckers 2024, north of Yellowknife, NWT, Canada, heading to the mines. Hats off to these brave souls. I drove trucks for years, but not like this. No TV drama, just pure trucking. Perfect video. Oh my goodness, unbelievable. A shock Leyland load-baloo truck crosses a river with a vessel in an unprecedented feat. Transportation in India is incredibly dangerous compared to the US, with risks at every turn. Just look at that ferry. Introducing the RD800, the greatest Mac ever produced and truly indestructible. This beast never took a wrong step. Gotta love those Macs. Pull up. It's absolutely mind-blowing to watch the massive Cat 790mm with an operating weight of 1,775,000 lbs being transported on city streets by Volvo trucks. This might be part of the mining equipment transportation contract for Finding Chile by TX Group, showcasing their commitment to the mining industry with efficient and safe logistics solutions. It's like witnessing parts of the Autobots from Transformers come to life. Number 17, Dipperfox SC600, safe, quiet, and incredibly effective. The Dipperfox Stump Crusher 600 is a revolution in stump grinding technology. Designed for excavators and loaders in the 614-ton range, it's ideal for tight spaces where bigger machines just can't go. The low-speed operation reduces noise and safety risks, making it perfect for residential areas. Plus, it's lightning fast with a 500mm drilling depth. Simply brilliant. Holy smokes, this is like a scene out of Ice Road Truckers on steroids. A 320,000-pound load being pushed up the Dalton Highway by 3 trucks? That's insane. This ain't your average Sunday drive. This is a symphony of power and precision. Carlisle's crew is out here taming the Alaskan wilderness, one mega haul at a time. This ain't your average oversized load. This is a beast. 1.225 million pounds rolling down the streets of Houston? That's like a small skyscraper on wheels. The way they're maneuvering that 390-foot-long behemoth with the Grainer suspension beam system is mind-blowing. Oxbow, you guys are the rock stars of heavy hauling. Wow, incredibly heavy. Witness the massive transport of Heitzma Baton's 50-meter-long concrete beams near De Westereen. RTV and OF, surprisingly close. This feat by the Regional Association for Northeast Friesland, Dantumedial, Tietjerk Steradial, and Achtkarspellen is truly impressive. Argento F4010. Alpen, the ultimate lightweight front merger for challenging terrains. At just 575 kilogram, it's designed for safety on steep slopes. With a 3.0 8-man pickup width and a 4-man working width, it handles various tasks effortlessly. The adjustable swath width, their 0.4, 1 Martin, and dual-sided swath placement enhances versatility. Requiring only 60 HP, this merger combines durability and efficiency, making it a must-have for any agricultural operation. When the truck crossed the pass, heavy rain made it even more challenging to navigate sharp turns and steep slopes. With a lot of traffic and slippery roads, the driver faced immense difficulty. The tractor was hauling a Doosan DX420 LC weighing about 50 tons, a Kobelco behind it at around 40 tons, and a crane structure in the middle at 20 tons. That's a total of 110 tons. Absolutely massive. ...2024 straw bales shipped. With good weather and a bountiful harvest, the operation ran smoothly. Using advanced machinery and equipment for packaging and transportation, the fleet included Scania R420, Scania R540, Scania R450, Bobcat TL3570, and Bobcat TL26.60, ensuring efficiency and reliability. Witness the beast in action, the CH-47 Chinook, a powerhouse tandem rotor helicopter developed by Vertol and manufactured by Boeing, is one of the heaviest lifting Western helicopters. Named after the Native American Chinook people, this engineering marvel showcases its might as it effortlessly hoists heavy machinery into the sky. Witness the raw power and struggle as a custom-built 6-cylinder Hyundai Daewoo turbo log truck gets stuck in the mud. This homemade beast, designed for hauling timber in Vietnam's steep mountainous terrain, meets its match on a rainy day. Truly, this scene captures one of the most grueling and challenging jobs out there. Elevate your farming operations with the Fendt favorite 924 row crop tractor. Boasting a robust Mayan 6.9L 6-cylinder diesel engine with 230 HP, this tractor delivers superior performance and efficiency. The 4x4 MFWD 4WD chassis and power steering enhance maneuverability and stability, while the wet disc brakes ensure reliable stopping power. Puma 210. The Case IH Puma 210 tractor is equipped with a powerful diesel engine featuring 6 cylinders, a wastegate turbo, and an intercooler for enhanced performance. With a displacement capacity of 6,700 cm, 3 knot, this tractor meets Tier 3 emission standards, ensuring efficient operation. Murray Octa-Quad. This powerful system can transport up to 12 big round bales or 6 full-size square bales, mounted on any large tractor. With a rear multi-bale spike and a front multi-bale spike, it can clear fields quickly and efficiently. The hydraulic cylinders make operation smooth, ensuring that the bales are loaded securely. Ventum. The Hortec Ventum sets a new standard in harvesting technology. With a collection capacity over 50% greater than traditional machines, it features a vertical air tunnel for precise product selection and foreign body removal by weight. The innovative automatic packing and weighing system cuts down on collection times, enhancing overall efficiency. Ferrari FPC Flans machine. Introducing the Ferrari FPC planting machine, a revolutionary tool for efficient planting. Equipped with a film laying system, it handles both polyethylene and biodegradable films with ease. The machine secures, perforates, and semi-automatically plants cube-shaped pressed pots, achieving an impressive average of up to 5,000 plants per hour. The VarioFlame is a testament to innovation in agriculture. Its ability to selectively treat weeds and diseases with high-temperature flames, while preserving plant health, underscores its practicality and environmental benefits. An essential tool for modern fruit and wine growers. The New Holland 216 Twin Rake is engineered for durability and performance. Features like rubber dynatines for long life and easy maintenance, along with a robust frame design, underscore its reliability in the field. A must-have for farmers looking to streamline hay raking operations. The Solus SLRV Durona 8 baler is a compact powerhouse. With its 80 cm working width and ability to produce up to 120 rolls per hour, it's perfect for small to medium-sized farms. Whether you opt for manual or automatic bale ejection, its central chain lubrication system ensures smooth operation and reliability. Horschlied PT 270 36M 8,000-liter PT 270 sprayer is powered by a 270 HP Deutz engine, which drives through a mechanical transmission. Include pneumatic nozzle control and the option to have single, double, or quadruple bodies with 50 cm or 25 cm spacing. The Case IH-MX 120 is a classic powerhouse. With its Cummins CDC 5.9L 6-cylinder diesel engine delivering 120 HP, it's built for robust performance in the field. Features like electrically actuated differential lock and power steering ensure excellent maneuverability and control. Quantum Mist Kiwi Sprayer Kiwiliner. The most compact sprayer on the market, the Kiwiliner delivers the ultimate coverage and air droplet control with a purpose-built 820 front entry Fieni fan. Number 13, Bombardier 415, with a max takeoff weight of nearly 20,000 km and a cruising speed of 359 km/h, the Bombardier 415 is built for tough missions. Its short takeoff and landing capabilities on both water and land set it apart from other firefighting aircraft. Equipped with the Honeywell EFIS and Primus 2 systems, this plane delivers precision and efficiency. Whether it's fighting fires or providing disaster relief, the CL-415 is a true workhorse in the sky. Number 14, the TRT ESS Source 8 is a serious piece of equipment for heavy-duty transport. Its 8 axles with 45-degree steering on either side of straight ahead offer exceptional control and flexibility. The live, fully compensating hydraulic gooseneck and patented Quick Connect system are just the icing on the cake, making it easy to adapt to different load requirements. With an impressive deck length of 18.9 meters, this rig is built for the toughest jobs. Number 15, meet the Ripsaw EV2, where high-end luxury meets battlefield readiness. This isn't just any tank, it's equipped with a robust 600 HP engine and a sophisticated 12-inch suspension for superior mobility. Each EV2 is crafted with precision, taking around 3,500 hours to complete. It's designed for those who demand both style and performance. Whether on the field or off-road, truly a standout in the world of military vehicles. Number 16, Lagoon Crawler X is the ultimate in heavy-duty performance. The torque jump to 18,000 Nm per wheel and the switch to larger 28 Windsor 26 tires with 4-inch treads are just mind-blowing. The 55% increase in surface area doesn't just add stability, it redefines it. Whether it's muddy, uneven terrain, or anything in between, this machine has got you covered. Number 17, the Doosan DL250 is a powerhouse in the world of heavy machinery. With a massive operating weight of 31.12 tons and a bucket capacity of 5.4 mr, this beast can handle any job with ease. Powered by the DC-13 engine delivering 294 kilobars at 2,100 RPM, it's built for serious work. Whether you're lifting, digging, or loading, the DL550's strength and efficiency are unmatched. Number 18, introducing the Bahamas SB4504, a top performer in road maintenance and sweeping. With a 4.6-meter broom width and the ability to work at a 35-degree angle, it delivers thorough cleaning. Powered by a 285 kilobauer Volvo TAD 1371 engine and meeting EU Stage 4 emission standards, this 2017 model offers both power and environmental compliance. A great choice for large-scale and efficient cleaning needs. Oh my gosh, what just happened? The crane crashed down while it was raised high. It's a relief that nobody was hurt. The overturned truck was rescued with a shovel, Hitachi's giant shovel to be precise. This truck's thrilling expedition through the jungle was nothing short of exciting.
On top there, right. At the back. Where the pen coming? Yeah. Let them look at the next one there. Come on, lock the story. Yeah.
Incredible luck. The Cat 793 made a smooth landing on the ship. No harm done, and everyone's safe. Heart-stopping moment when a truck carrying a crane misjudged the height and crashed into an elevated crane structure. Luckily, everyone stayed safe. The 70-ton crane's sudden collapse during unloading was beyond anyone's expectations. Luckily, he was safe when the gigantic crane crashed down. McHale 995 TSR Square. Boost your wrapping efficiency with the McHale 995 TSR Square Bale Wrapper. With the ability to wrap both round and square bales and a working table speed of up to 30 rotations a minute, this machine is built for high output. The hydraulic cut and hold and quick fit 750mm dispensers make for smooth operation. Number 26. Explore the capabilities of the ES5T Innovator, a top-tier multi-purpose offshore vessel built in 2018. With a gross tonnage of 4,064 tons and a dead weight of 2,500 tons, this 81-meter-long vessel excels in various offshore operations. Operating under the Danish flag from Esbjerg, the ES5T Innovator combines strength and modern design to meet the demands of the offshore industry. Number 27, the Portafil MX6. Shredder is an efficient solution for all your shredding needs. With its compact size and powerful twin-shaft design, it handles wood, biomass, and commercial waste effortlessly. The hydraulically adjustable side combs and quick-change shafts add to its versatility. Measuring 2.3 millimeters in width, 5.8 millimeters in length, and 2.7 millimeters in height, it fits well in various setups. The large open engine area ensures easy maintenance. A great choice for reliable shredding. Number 28, Robot Handle Boston Dynamics Handle. Robot shows how robotics can transform warehousing. With its capacity to lift 13 key and stack items 160 centimeter high, it's a powerhouse of efficiency. The vision systems ensure accurate handling and placement of goods, paving the way for more automated and precise warehouse operations. It's amazing to think about a future where warehouses are managed by a fleet of these robots. Gregoire GL7.4. The GL7.4 Harvester stands out with its Dukes 4-cylinder, 160 HP engine that meets the latest emission standards. The hydrostatic transmission with P-Oclane 2-speed wheel-drive motors enhances traction and crossing capabilities, making it perfect for challenging terrains. With automatic engine RPM management, the GL7.4 ensures optimal fuel consumption and performance. Witnessing the 1.5 million pound transport out of Laramie, WI is truly awe-inspiring. The sheer scale of moving a transformer weighing between 660,000 and 680,000 pounds is mind-boggling. How do they keep all the trailer axles pointed in the right direction through those turns? Mechanical cleverness and expert precision. Seeing this heavy haul load getting pulled uphill is both a nightmare and a marvel. Wish we had roads this wide with little to no traffic. Great job to the crew. And let's not forget that high hood C500 is an absolute beauty. Incredible driving. He managed to turn over that narrow bridge with astonishing precision. The heavy excavator is in big trouble. It's fallen through the ice and is now stuck in the snow. This is going to be a real challenge to rescue. In Germany, a dump truck loaded with gravel tipped over on Schwerterstrasse at 12:30 p.m. when the driver swerved to avoid an oncoming vehicle. The truck veered onto an unpaved shoulder, sank, and slid into a ditch, landing on its side. With the help of an excavator and 2 recovery vehicles, a salvage team emptied the load and pulled the truck back onto the road. Thankfully, the driver was uninjured, and the truck was towed for repairs. What a rescue. Seeing a 105-ton Komatsu D475 bulldozer transported sideways is wild. Every time I loan out my car trailer, it returns looking like it hauled this beast. Note to self, never loan your trailer to these guys. Komatsu's machinery is top-notch, but seriously, a 105-ton machine on a 35-ton low bed? No brains. Those air suspension bags? Gone. Just wow. Craft Dragoner, you just dropped the mic on the heavy haul industry. This video is a masterclass in European engineering. Forget long and wide, this is all about compact power and precision. 690 tons of pure muscle dancing on gravel. This is how you move mountains in style. Who needs a gym when you can watch this on repeat? Watching the nearly 150-year-old Kentucky courthouse move is like witnessing history in motion. The two-story, 820-ton building and its iconic dome move just a few feet every 15 minutes. The heavy equipment and specialized supports used by Edwards Moving and Rigging showcase modern engineering's ability to preserve our past. The time-lapse video of this 850-ton historical building relocation is truly remarkable. Straddle Tractor Alpha. It boasts a variable width from 95 to 200 cm, making it suitable for both narrow and wide vineyards. With a low center of gravity and the ability to tackle slopes up to 35%, it offers unmatched stability and safety in challenging terrains. Whoa, this is what I call heavy metal on the move. That 460-ton tank and 53 meters long is a beast, and seeing it dwarf those cars on the highway is insane. But when it appears in a crowded city, it is even more impressive. Big shout out to the crew that pulled this off. Talk about precision driving. I've always been fascinated by oversized loads, and this one takes the cake. Number 27, the truck that does it all. The Kenworth T880 is your go-to truck for any heavy-duty task. With a Packer MX-16 engine providing up to 510 HP and 1,850 lb-ft of torque, it's built for power and efficiency. Ideal for bulk, mixer, or refuse work, this truck combines strength with advanced truck tech plus remote diagnostics to keep you on top of your game. Number 28. If you're in forestry, the Climber LV800 Pro is a game changer. This machine handles everything from stump grinding to wood chipping with ease. Its ability to work on steep slopes and loose soil while maintaining stability is impressive. The intuitive joystick control and quick attachment system make it user-friendly and efficient. Plus, the continuous operation in dusty and high-temperature environments ensures you're always ready for action. Whoa! The sight of a loaded lowboy hauling machinery barreling down that steep hill is truly impressive. The roar of the engine and the sheer power of this beast are something to behold. Driving a truck up a sand dune? Whoa, it looks like a giant seesaw in the desert. The loose sand really seems to be giving the engine a tough time. This video is a masterclass in heavy hauling. The use of 2 Mercedes-Benz Actros Titan tractors and 22 Scheuerle intercombi axle lines with Griner heavy-duty technology is a testament to the cutting-edge equipment and expertise required for such a complex operation. The coordination between the drivers and the crew is seamless, ensuring the safe and efficient transport of this critical piece of infrastructure.